I'm sniffing out that next MOO and shot coin tonight. Who's riding with me?
Garage Gang, you already know. This is John, coming to you live from the Guru Crypto Garage, where the markets run hotter than a V8 with a nitrous bottle, and the only thing more unpredictable than Bitcoin is Lulu after her third cup of coffee. Before we even crank the ignition, do me a favor, slam that like you're breaking loose in the burnout box, smash that follow like you just hit the jackpot at the car auction, and comment your wildest moonshot or favorite project car below. This isn't just a channel, it's a family. We're almost at 11,000 on TikTok, over 6,000 strong on YouTube, and we're just getting out of first gear. So help us hit 1 million legends, one wrench at a time. All right, buckle up. Tonight's garage menu is loaded. We're talking about a cyber attack that hit Wall Street like a runaway 18-wheeler. Microsoft's SharePoint, the corporate toolbox, just got cracked wide open. Over 10,000 companies, yeah, that's more than the crowd at a swap meet on a sunny Saturday, woke up and found their digital wrenches missing. This is not a drill. The smart money is bailing on the old rusty tech plays, the digital minivans and tired sedans of the stock market. All the real horsepower is moving into cybersecurity and cloud stocks, the twin turbo diesels of the tech world. If you're still holding legacy tech, that's like showing up to a street race with a 94 Corolla and no air in the tires. Now Ethereum is doing something wild. Wall Street dumped more than $2 billion into ETH ETFs this week, 55% more than last week. Translation? The big money finally figured out that Ethereum is not just a meme. It's the new 6-lane highway for digital dollars. Wall Street is trading in the hybrids for Hellcats. Finally, Bitcoin, well, for the first time in over 2 weeks, spot Bitcoin ETFs saw net outflows. ARKB lost 77 million, GBTC lost 37 million, and the rest trickled out too. It's like the veteran drivers packing it in early at the drag strip. Could be they're taking profits, could be they see rain on the radar. If Bitcoin falls below 118,000, look out, that's fishtail territory. ETH whales. These guys bought up over 681,000 ETH in July alone. That's nearly $3 billion of Ethereum stashed away. It's like all the top pit crews bought every single tire and left the rest of us running on bare rims. If that buying dries up, buckle up for a wild ride down. Meanwhile, NFTs are back in season. 45 crypto punks swept up. Floor price up 20%. That's like everyone storming the showroom for the latest collector car. Whenever the NFT crowd gets loud, alt season burnouts can't be far behind. Meme coins are back on the track. Bonk and Hyper are on a victory lap, while Doge and Pepe are in the paddock with the hood up. Here's the deal. Never chase a meme that just ran a 10-second quarter. Wait for the next pit stop, or you'll end up paying double at the parts counter. Token unlocks this week, $500 million worth. Solana, Trump, WorldCoin, Avalanche. That's like dumping a whole new shipment of project cars onto the auction lot. Prices dip until the flippers are done. Early sellers usually win. And speaking of Solana, somebody sound the alarm. Solana just broke through $200 tonight. If you scooped it at 120, you are in the winner's circle right now. Volumes pumping, total value locked at a 6-month high, and DEX action hotter than headers on a summer day. If Solana holds 200, the sky's the limit. Could see 210, even 215 in a hurry. But don't let FOMO drive. Set those stops and keep your eyes on the rear view. Let's check in with Lulu for a tune-up. Bitcoin is hovering at 118,800. If we drop below 116,700, it's fishtail city. Ethereum is running at 3,785. If she rips through 3,877, that's nose time. But if we slide under 3,434, check your shocks, could be a bumpy ride. Solana still tearing up the track, don't blink. And Christian, he's in the back flipping Pokémon rares like he's flipping used Honda engines at a swap meet. Kid's got more luck than a racetrack rabbit's foot. On the macro side, Fed's sneaking shadow stimulus in the back door like a teen siphoning gas from dad's truck. BRICS wants to build their own superhighway and take the toll money from Uncle Sam. Everyone's either hoarding gold and energy or hiding in Eurobanks, waiting for the next rate cut. Growth stocks, they might be on their last lap before a caution flag. AI and tech, this is where the real action is. NVIDIA just got the green light to sell H20 AI chips to China. Imagine selling the second best turbo kits to the next town over, but keeping the best one for yourself. Startups are building AI-powered factories, like robots doing brake jobs at the speed of light. If you're still holding old metal-bashing stocks, it's time to trade up. Now, Garage Gang, you know what's coming. Don't even think about packing up before the checkered flag, because Captain's got the most fire microcap moonshots in the game, and he's closing the show tonight. So tools down, snacks up, get your notebook out, and get ready for the coolest mini cow in crypto. He's got aviators, a wrench, a pilot's license, and more meme coins in his bag than I have coffee stains on my shirt. Captain, the runway's yours. Let's make some moolah.
La Garage Gang. It's Captain, your turbocharged mini cow, wrench in one hoof, flight goggles on, and always on the hunt for the next big moonshot. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm a bull, but you know I do love a good bull run. I chase torque, I live for traction, and sometimes I just have to send it and hope the tires hook. All right, first out of the garage tonight, Mishi on Solana. Market cap just over $20 million. If this little meme car gets traction and pulls a 10x, that's $200 million. Now we're talking true sleeper potential. New on the lot, full of hype, but you know microcaps. Sometimes they fly, sometimes they stall, so always check your exits and your tire pressure. Second up, Alien Base on Base Chain. I called this ride before it left the garage, and it's still picking up speed. Plenty of horsepower under the hood, but watch the top wallets. They're holding most of the keys. If you want the full tune-up, we did a token teardown video, Area 51 secrets, launchpad action, the mothership auto liquidity mod, and more. Seriously, there's a lot going on, so check it out after this show. Rolling in hot, quick swap on Polygon. 19 million market cap, nearly all the NOS is in just 2 tanks. Could be a DeFi rocket, could need a tow. Double clutch, check your stops, and don't miss your exit. Now, based Fartcoin on base. 45 million cap, all meme, all chaos, all drift missile. Low liquidity, so if you go in, make sure you don't get stuck spinning those wheels. Last up, Lorenzo Protocol on BSC. 25 million, all tokens unlocked. Feels like a muscle car with a carbon wrap. Looks cool, but always check under the hood before you go full throttle. Tonight's garage meta. Microcaps and meme coins lining up at the red light. Some will hook, some will spin. A few might just break out and leave us all in the dust. Me? I'm always searching for torque, hunting traction, and living for that one big run. If you want more moonshots, more cow power, and more garage family laughs, smash that like, hit that follow, and drop your wildest pick or your dream car in the comments. We're building this crew all the way to 1 million. One burnout, one donut, one mo LAA at a time. Garage Gang, it's mo-lay time. Stay bullish, buckle up, and let's make some mo-la. Captain out. And yes, one more thing. Let it rip.